We're here at Belk at the famous Tanglewood Mall.
1972 Dover elevator.
I think the door's open.
Yeah, I think they're. We'll film this, then we'll go to the restroom in the mall. Well, the motor is open.
Look at this. It's very
This looks
vintage.
familiar, Jay.
So, look at this. Nice and vintage. I like it.
It runs really well. I'll show you something interesting about this elevator.
Yeah?
Send it back up. You know in a lot of the old elevators, when you e-stop it cancels the call? Watch this one. Let me get out of the leveling zone. See, the call's still there.
That's crazy.
When I turn it back on, it continues. A lot of the older elevators, when you e-stop it, it'll cancel the call.
Interesting.
I'll send her back down to 1. This is one of the few elevators where the e-stop doesn't ring the bell.
I like the bumpers. Very interesting door track. 1970s.
It runs beautiful.
Dover. Ah, they replaced these switches. Not in the bottom there. Hi, that's an Andrew.
Got the door, but if you want to hear the motor, I'll send it upstairs.
Yeah, go ahead.
Listen to these loud relays. Take a look. See, there's a Dover.
Nice.
All right, that'll be it.
That will be it for me.
We need